Cristiano Ronaldo! Por mais longe, mais profundo ou mais alto que vá, nunca esqueça o caminho. Aqui estarão sempre as minhas origens, a minha essência. Since day one, I'm always ethic to be the best, to train hard, to listen to all the players, the experienced players. I was feeling from the beginning that I was different than the other ones. I was more special. I was a special kid. Without sacrifice, we cannot win nothing. So I did an unbelievable sacrifice. My family too. What I am today is started from that moment.
Can you believe the genius of
All
this
my
man?
life, what I did and what I do, it's because I have passion for it. It's my strongest point, it's my mind. The numbers they don't like. If you see during the last 15 years, my level is always kind of the same. Effort, dedication, work hard, because the talent is not enough anymore.
Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo with a chance maybe to seal it, and he has taken it.
This is for my colleagues, my coach, of Portugal, for the fans, for the immigrants.
He's paid this price.
I'm so happy. It's moments that I cannot describe. Something unbelievable in my career.
It's Portugal's second goal.
You have to work. I try to do it almost every day. It's not by coincidence. It's because I do it extra outside the pitch. My obsession to win, to have success. I work for that. Talent is not enough. You have to. I dedicate myself so much that this is part of me. Records is part of me. I don't follow the record. The records follow me.
What a goal! Ian has absolutely no chance. Saddles, shoots, scores!
I love to do this job. I love football. This is my passion. That this is part of me. Records is part of me. I don't follow the record. The records follow me.
What a goal! Ian has absolutely no chance. Saddles, shoots,
I love to do this job. I love football. This is my passion.
Vai lungo qua, torna qua, buona dietro là, vieni qua, bravo, bianco, vieni qua adesso, vieni qua, bravo, bravissimo Chris, torna dietro, buona, riparti, navetta, sì, bravo Chris, bravo, dietro, passa lì, 2, 1,
So that's the most important thing. It's to win the game, to help the team and score goals. And my focus is always there. You win the games, you have to score goals.
First touching, you pretty much know what is going to happen because in world football, in front of goal, this man is absolute.
Ronaldo looking for the hat-trick, and he's got it! Magnificent from Cristiano.
All the time in the world, pick out one of three in the middle. Ronaldo scores just 2 minutes in. Cristiano Ronaldo is the only Portuguese player to score in 3 different World Cups. It's 1-0 Portugal, and was there ever any doubt?
7 футболистов Баварии, в ней Криштиану 4-0. Это уже Аргентина и Майка.
Ronaldo
slow to think about it. Oh! Absolutely sensational! He went through Almunia, beaten for pace. And Manchester United have scored twice in a little more than 10 minutes here. And Cristiano Ronaldo.
Сейчас посмотрим, кто подпрыгнул в стенке. Пеп, перевод налево, и счет становится 3-0. Cristiano Ronaldo, я думаю, что заканчивает уже вообще все. 5. Бавария, конечно, не забьет. Потрясающе.
Mais? Mais? Mais?
Lá. Ready? Ok, fugir. Batei para baixo. Bora, vamos lá. Bora. 7, 8, 9, 10, vá. Não pode falhar nenhum, vá. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bem. 7, 8, 9. I love Dubai because they treat me unbelievable. I love the people. I love the culture. Dubai, they always bring something in the table unique, different, and spectacular. They did the expo here for the first time. It's amazing to put all cultures together to learn by each other. I think it's fantastic.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this.
Cristiano Ronaldo! Something special for his hat-trick goal.
Senti por aí, porque a Sara era tinha um coração enorme e